whole essence is to do this work, to clear the unconscious mind, to do the healing for you to become the person you're born to be.
I really, really love it. Understanding the mind, understanding the emotions, understanding the energy. So I think that is a different dimension or layer to my journey, into my coaching.
It's an awareness for me that we have a lot more control over our life, our realities than we're led to believe. Now I know it's my responsibility to shift it.
It was awesome. I'm so glad I came back. It turns out there was a lot of new ideas in here, which has changed the whole perception.
Having this full toolkit of different processes and techniques to do, how powerful that will be to be able to get the best benefit for the client. So it's a fantastic course to do.
Why would people work with you? Because you have an integrated, multifaceted, even a multidimensional approach to confidence, to transformation, to happiness, to breaking through so you can live the life that you're born to live.